Hi everyone, Namaste. This is Ritesh Shah from RS Yoga, and today we are going to learn some shoulder strengthening, shoulder stretching, relief from shoulder pain, and if you have symptoms of frozen shoulders. So we are going to learn some exercise which will help us with all of this. So exercise number 1. It is shoulder strengthening. So it is this exercise is also called as a prayer posture. So how it's done is join your elbows, join the side of the hands and join your fingers. It will be something like this. And remember, most important, the hands will never open in this. They will always remain joined. And from here you lift the hands upwards. Okay. And once you reach your max, you just hold them. Remember not to open up the hands like this. I will show this from a side angle too. Keep your back straight. Many times the hand goes above the head, so it shouldn't happen like that. Just let it go straight up and hold. Immediately you will find a lot of engagement of your shoulder muscles. Okay. The minimum time in the beginning, start with 15 to 20 seconds. It's amazing if you can go up to 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. Do such 3 rounds. Okay. From here, exercise number 2. Shoulder stretching. For this exercise, again I'll turn to my sides. Join your hands like this and open up your elbows. From here, bend your feet and place the hand as far as possible. From here, you can, keeping the hands where they are, you can shift your hips forward. Okay. Once you reach your max point, straighten up the legs and drop your neck. Immediately you will feel a lot of stretching on your shoulder bones. Just inhale and exhale. In the beginning, again, holding for 15 to 30 seconds. If you can go up to a minute, that would be amazing. And do at least 3 rounds of this. First round of exercise which we did was strengthening. Second round that we are doing is stretching. Round 3, which is resistance training. So for this, friends, we will need a prop. Now this is called a TheraBand, which is easily available in any sports or any medical store. So how to use this is, you hold this with equal length coming out from both sides. You stretch it, okay, and inhaling you take it up and exhaling you take it down. Again inhaling, take it up and exhaling, take it down. This is 1 round. Alright. TheraBand has many colors in it. Green is best for regular and normal use. If this is too intense for you, you can just shift your hands a little outwards and it will get easier. And if that was too easy for you, just take your hands inwards and it will get little intense for you. With regular practice, you will be able to get your hand much closer. You will also feel a lot of opening in your shoulder plexus and also a lot of strengthening of your shoulders. From here, we go to exercise number 4. Again, we'll require a prop. For this, we use a brick or a block. Or you can also use like a fat book or something for this. I will again show this from a side angle. Sit straight. Keep your hands in a 90-degree angle and press the brick with your palms. Okay. Do not hold it. Press it with your palms with as much pressure as you can give. Immediately you will find a lot of engagement of your shoulders and your arms. From here, inhaling, try to straighten your hands. Exhaling, come back. If you are putting a lot of pressure on the brick, it will be actually very difficult to open up the hands. Inhaling, open. Exhaling, close. Okay. 1 open and 1 close is 1 round. Such we need to do 10 rounds. Okay, and that is 1 set, and such 3 sets. Okay, this is complete strength training for the shoulders and also it works on the arms very well. Fifth and the last exercise, Again, you can take a prop for this. So we are using the block now. You can take also a water bottle or any heavy object which is around 250 to 500 grams, and lengthen your hand like this at the shoulder level, not above, not below, and place the prop on it. Try not holding the prop, okay? Try to balance it. After a few seconds, immediately you will find a lot of engagement of the entire shoulder till your palms. This is again strengthening, balancing, and a weight training exercise. You can begin with 15 to 30 seconds and go up to a minute. And once you're done from the right side, do it on the left side and do 3 such rounds. Regular practice of these simple 5 exercises will increase your shoulder mobility, will improve your posture and also your shoulder strength. In case the symptoms are a little intense or more serious, please show it to your physiotherapist or your doctor, but keep doing shoulder exercises on a regular basis. Friends, when we are working on any particular muscle to strengthen and stretch it, we should also work on its neighboring muscles. So overall the progress becomes good. So in the further videos, we'll be coming with hand strengthening, for exercises for the core, for the chest, for the legs. So please do watch that and follow that. So overall we work on the entire body strengthening and stretching. Please also comment how you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get our updates of our videos. And thank you so much for watching. Ritesh Shah, RSU.